सोऱ्याच्या गुळेन भरधाव वेगान वाहन चलोवप्यांचेर आळाबंद घालपा खातीर साळगांव मालान रातच्या वेळार गस्त सुरू करून सोऱ्याच्या गुळेन वाहन चलोवप्यांचेर दंडात्मक कारवाय सुरू केल्या। सोरो पिवन गाडी चलोवच्यो न्हय, सगळ्यांनी आपल्या तशेंच दुसऱ्यांच्या जिवाची काळजी घेवप गरजेची, अशें येरादारी पुलीस अक्षत कौशल आनी उपअधीक्षक श्रीधम शिरोडकर हांणी सांगले।
Are driving safely. We do not have any allegations or any sort to take up. Our only concern is they should take care that they should not drive drunk in a drunk state. We don't have any objections or against anybody. They have to be responsible. There are people driving two-wheelers on the road. There are families, people are walking on the road. This is a coastal belt. This is a tourist place area. So they have to be very cautious. So now, my PI, we have formulated a scheme wherein we will keep watch on those places. And now he has booked one case. This is the Telangana registered vehicle, Baleno vehicle having filtered glasses, wherein he has traced that through his sources. And then the enforcement was done by the staff, which was kept ready at a particular spot. So in this way we will be able to basically find out and trace vehicles and book cases. It will go on as and how we are going to make cases. We are going to do cases in the evening and also during the daytime. Like Permanent Police has booked 2 cases today. Mopa has booked 1 case today. Pororim has booked during daytime 1 case. And now we have got, it is continuing every day.
ड्रंक एंड ड्रायव्हिंग केसीस जाता, लोक मरता, एक्सिडेंट जाता, ताका लागून आमी हो स्पेशल ड्रायव्ह दवरला। स्पेशल ड्रायव्हाचेर आमी सगळे जितले गाडयो येता तांकां चॅक करता, अल्कोमिटर लायता, कोण आमकां मेळटा अबाउट द PNG त्या प्रमाणे आमी केसी बूक करता। ऑलरेडी एक केस आमी आतां बूक केली, 85% मेळ्ळा आमकां।
How you have done it? Tell me.
सो आमी ते वॉच दवरता, ते बार आसता आनी तितले आमचे सिव्हिलान पुलीस घालून वॉच दवरता गाडयेचेर, मागीर ते भायर सरले केस करता। हय, तेंच्यांनी आमी एक्शन घेता न्हू। आतां ही गाडी आतां फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुका टिंटेडूय ग्लास आहा, सो आमी ती केस केल्या, सोऱ्याची केस केल्या आनी सीट बेल्टूय घालूंक ना ताणें। ती रजिस्टर केल्या, गाडयेक डिटेन करता, प्रोड्यूस करता।